Hey, law firm owners. You guys have seen a lot of my content on LinkedIn about intake EQ and how intake is one of the biggest bottlenecks that I have seen in the legal niche. I run Google ads, LSA ads. I get you to the top of the map pack and the 1 through 3s guaranteed or you don't pay. So I do all things to get law firms at the top of Google search, which when there is a need for a lawyer is where everyone's looking. I'm going to leave the demo lines in the description notes so that you guys can call them for yourself. But I'm going to do a little live test with you here. We're going to put one of our intake agents, Kim, to the test. She's a personal injury intake agent. These agents can be trained for any law verticals. They will sound like a front desk person at your law firm. They're that good. So I'm going to give Kim a call and we're going to see how she does.
Hey, I'm Kim with Accident Injury Network. Who am I speaking with today?
This is Kaylee.
Thank you for sharing your name, Kaylin. I hope you're doing okay. Could you please provide the best phone number to reach you at?
Yeah, it's 405-222-2222.
Thank you for that. In case we get disconnected, do I have your permission to call you back at the number you just provided?
Yes, that's compliance.
Thank you for confirming that. Are you calling on behalf of yourself or someone else?
It's myself. I was actually in a car accident just a minute ago, actually, and I'm not really sure what to do. The other person ran the red light and they hit me and the police came, they did the report and everything. I'm on the way to the clinic right now because I'm already feeling wrist pain and neck pain, and I just wanted to speak to a lawyer to see what my rights are.
I'm so sorry to hear about your accident, Caitlin. It sounds like a very stressful situation, but I'm glad you're seeking medical attention right away. Let me help you with this process. First, could you confirm the date of the accident? You mentioned it just happened. Was it today?
Yes, it was today.
Got it. You mentioned you're on your way to the clinic, so it sounds like you're receiving medical treatment, which is important. Are you currently working with another attorney regarding this accident?
No, I just did a Google search and you guys were the first ones that came up and it looked like you guys had good reviews. I wanted to see if I could talk to a lawyer up there.
Thank you for reaching out to us. It sounds like you might have a case we can assist with. Could you tell me where the accident occurred? Just the city and state would be fine.
It was in Dallas, Texas.
Thank you for sharing that. Were you at fault in the accident or was the other driver at fault?
No, they hit me. They actually ran a red light and T-boned me.
Got it. Thank you for explaining that. Could you give me a brief description of what happened during the accident?
Yeah, they T-boned me at a red light, completely totaled my car, and my son and I are on the way right now to see if we're okay.
I'm really sorry to hear about the accident. It sounds very serious, and I'm glad you're seeking medical attention. What injuries have you noticed so far? You mentioned neck and wrist pain. Is there anything else?
My son's leg is hurting. I'm hoping it's not broken, but...
I'm so sorry to hear that, Caitlin. I hope your son is okay and that the medical team can provide the care you both need. What type of medical treatment are you planning to receive today? Are you heading to the ER or a clinic?
Just to a medical clinic.
Thank you for sharing. It sounds like you might have a case that our legal team can help you with. They offer a consultation with no fees to you up front, and you only pay the attorney if they win your case. If it's okay with you, I can transfer you to our specialist now to answer any deeper questions you might have regarding your accident. Would you like me to do that?
Yeah, please.
Transferring the call now.
So I just wanted to give you guys a quick demonstration. Again, this is personal injury. It works for any legal vertical, but a missed call is a missed case. And when you're spending money on SEO, ads, marketing, branding, Google put out a report last year that said 28% of calls that came from the law firm's GBP went missed on the first attempt. I promise you guys, they are not going to leave a voicemail. They are going to call the next person on their list. I would love to talk to you more about intake EQ to see if it's a right fit for your law firm, but I wanted to give you guys a quick demonstration of what Kim or any of our agents can do. They're bilingual in up to 6 languages. They work 24/7. They need to be trained one time and then they know what they're doing. And no sick days, no bad days, no holidays. This is going to revolutionize the law firms who put it into place. These agents can even collect payment over the phone. So if you're a criminal attorney or a family law firm who needs a retainer, they can process payment over the phone and then get them booked directly to your calendar or handle live transfers. The agents can handle inbound calls like you just heard. They can perform outbound calls if you want to follow up with your clients, if you're getting a lot of cases and want to make sure that somebody is getting touched every week so that they feel like they are working with a firm who's on top of everything. They can handle outbound calls just as customer service to make sure those clients are happy and they don't need anything immediately, to let them know that your firm is working their case and you haven't forgotten about them. If you guys are interested in more information about intake EQ, reach out to me, or you can call our demo lines and test them out for yourself.